You can cast your VIVE Focus Vision to an external display, PC, or mobile device. We'll show you how in this video. To cast your headset to an external display, all you need is a Miracast-ready TV or monitor, or an HDMI dongle that supports Miracast. First, open the VIVE menu by pinching with your right palm facing inward or pressing the VIVE button on your right controller. Select Cast and choose your display from the list. The visuals in the headset will then appear on the selected display. To share your VR experiences with a family or friend, you can cast your headset to the web browser on their PC, phone, or tablet. Here's how. Open the VIVE menu, select Cast, and then select Cast to Browser. An IP address will be displayed in your headset. For your family or friend to see your headset screen, all they need to do is enter the IP address in their web browser and click Connect. The visuals in your headset will then appear in their web browser. While viewing your headset screen on their device, they can use the controls at the bottom to take screenshots and screen recordings, mute or unmute audio, and change the screen size. You can also cast your headset to your phone or tablet using the VIVE Manager mobile app. First, VIVE Manager must be paired with your headset. For details, watch our Getting Started video for VIVE Focus Vision. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone or tablet. Then open VIVE Manager and tap Devices. If your headset isn't connected, tap Connect. Put on the headset. When the VR environment appears, take it back off. In VIVE Manager, tap the Cast button in the upper right corner of the device's screen to start casting. When the visuals in the headset appear on your phone or tablet screen, put the headset back on. While casting, use the controls in VIVE Manager to reset the view or take screenshots. You can also record your interactions or stop casting. In addition to VR experiences, you can also cast your interactions in mixed reality to an external display, PC, or mobile device. Just enable casting in pass-through mode. Here's how. In the headset, open Settings, then go to Advanced and select Camera Settings. Turn on Allow Pass-Through Recording and Casting. Then open any mixed reality experience and start casting. That's how easy it is to share your extended reality experiences with VIVE Focus Vision.